What's the meaning of carbon dating? Carbon dating. Carbon dating.
Carbon dating. Carbon dating. Carbon dating is a method used to determine the age of organic materials by measuring the amount of carbon-14 they contain. Carbon-14 is a radioactive isotope of carbon that is naturally present in the atmosphere. When a living organism dies, it stops taking in carbon-14, and the carbon-14 it already contains begins to decay into nitrogen-14. By measuring the ratio of carbon-14 to carbon-12 in a sample, scientists can determine how long ago the organism died. Carbon dating is commonly used in archaeology and geology to date fossils, artifacts, and other ancient materials.